Now you're newly married, it's almost just the same as living with each other, but with a brand new name. It's all about give and take and compromise and sharing, looking after one another and showing that you're caring. Like if Kathryn has a headache and Michael has the flu, who makes up all the limb sits and who looks after who? And arguments at bedtime, who says, "I'm sorry, honey," who's first to laugh about the row and make it end up funny. And when Kathryn buys another dress, Michael, don't get mad. She didn't buy it for herself, she bought it for you, lad. And when Michael is busy making dough, the bready kind I mean, just give him huge encouragement and show him that you're keen. And when you're in your lovely home, all cozy, warm and snug, don't ever tire of just getting up and giving each other a hug. Say I love you often, which I'm quite sure you do, but don't forget to say it so you'll know who loves who. And when you're getting old and grey and you've lived so long together, just think how happy you've both been forever and ever.
Usually I'm not one for making speeches, but I've tried to channel my inner Sean Rankin and do as he would. Relish the chance to praise and celebrate Kathryn, something she wholly deserves. Dad would have loved today. He revelled in telling stories and had a beautiful way with words. And as such, I cannot fathom to speak on his behalf or do his moment true justice. All I can say is that after recently becoming a father myself, and on behalf of all the fathers in the room, there is no way of vocalising the love and adoration that you have for your daughter and the pride you must feel on a day like today.
Friends and family, if you're able, would you please stand for the arrival of your exquisite bride and the bridal party.
Today I marry my friend, the one I have laughed and cried with, the one I have learned from and shared with, the one I have chosen to support, encourage and give myself to through all the days we shall have to share.
Today I marry my friend, the one I have laughed and cried with, the one I have learned from and shared with, the one I have chosen to support, encourage and give myself to through all the days we shall have to share.
I, Michael, accept you, Kathryn, in marriage to be my wife. Today I marry the one I love. Kathryn, I join my life with yours today, without hesitation and with an open and trusting heart. Whatever we may encounter, let us encounter it together. Take this ring, and with it, my commitment, to be the best husband that I can be.
I, Kathryn, accept your ring and accept you, Michael, in marriage to be my husband. Today I marry the one I love. Michael, I join my life with yours today, without hesitation and with an open and trusting heart. Whatever we may encounter, let us encounter it together. Take this ring and with it my commitment to be the best wife that I can be.
Michael and Kathryn, following the declarations made before me and in the presence of these witnesses, it is my delightful duty to pronounce you married as husband and wife.